I wanna show you how to add a dotted line map animation in Premiere Pro, let's go! First of all, let's select the pen tool and design dotted line map. Go to the Essential Graphics, uncheck the fill and check the stroke. Change the value to the center and also adjust the size of the line that you want. In case if you wanna extend the effect, just extend the picture and extend the dotted line. Following, go to the effects and write crop. Add the crop effect to your dotted line. Go to the effects control and click on the right. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Increase the value of the right till the moment that the line will disappear. Then move your timeline to the end of the video clip and decrease the value of the right till the moment that the line will appear. Again, go to the effects and write Venetian blind. Add the Venetian blind effect to your dropped line. Play with the value of transition, direction and width to transform your line to the dotted one. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.